Hi guys! Today we are learning how to change the Gemini voice. First, unlock your phone and open the Gemini app. Wait for the app to load completely so all the options become available. Once you're on the main screen, you're ready to access the settings. Now, tap the two horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. This will open the navigation menu, where you can access your account and other app settings. Once the menu opens, tap your profile picture at the bottom left corner. This will open your account page, where you'll find several options related to your Gemini account. Next, scroll down through the available options until you find Settings. Tap on it to open the Settings page, where you can customize different features of the Gemini app. Now, look for the Gemini Voice option and tap on it. This section lets you manage the voice used by Gemini during conversations. It may take a few seconds to load, depending on your internet connection. Here you'll see different voice options available for Gemini. If the voices don't appear right away, it could be because of a slow internet connection, so just wait a moment and they'll load. Once the list appears, simply tap on the voice you like best, and Gemini will start using that voice for future conversations. And that's how you can easily change the Gemini voice in just a few steps. Choose the voice that sounds best to you, and enjoy a more personalized experience. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.